two particles A and B move with constant velocity v1 and v2. At the initial moment, their position vector are r1 and r2 respectively. The condition for particle A and B for their collision is, see, if both particles collides at a particular point, both the positions of the particles are equal. This basic point. At the time of collision, position vector of both particles are same. That means in the particular position, other particular position equal. Because first particular position, two particles moves the constant velocity. Initial momentum distance, moment of their position. First particular moment r1, which is your vector, moment distance, plus it travel velocity v1 and time t second. It is the first position of the first particle. The second particle position, it was initially at the position r2, travel a distance v2 velocity in t. And over rate in the travel panirprom. So position vector of both particles are equal. So this is the time vector. Time r1 vector. Okay, time okay, before that, r1 vector minus r2 vector will be equal to v2 vector minus v1 vector into t. But t is a scalar. But t here நம்ம வெளியே எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இல்ல மாடுலஸ் போடலாம். Modulus of r1 vector minus r2 vector divided by modulus of v2 vector minus v1 vector. Both modulus because time is a scalar. இப்போ அந்த டேட்டா எடுத்து 1ல போட்டு அவ்வளவுதான். Substitute 2 in 1. Balance and all. r1 vector minus r2 vector equal to v2 vector minus v1 vector into modulus of r1 vector minus r2 vector divided by modulus of v2 vector minus v1 vector. அவ்வளவுதான். இப்போ நம்ம r1 r2 கீழே கொண்டாது. அப்போ vector r1 minus vector r2 by modulus of r1 vector minus r2 vector is equal to v2 vector minus v1 vector divided by modulus of v2 vector minus v1. This is the answer. This is the answer. C is the correct answer.